Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Load your Void special weapons and verify team roles. Once done, check power level versus recommended, because damage windows depend on it. Make sure one player can hold adds while others position for shard drops. You need a dedicated mechanic and at least one add clear rotation ready. Move to the encounter with abilities off cooldown. This accelerates shard generation. Then communicate the first damage phase and who will pick up shard. Once the fight is underway, focus on execution. Sync your heavy and ultimate usage to the shard window, because increased damage causes more shard spawn opportunities. While your DPS phase runs, others clear surrounding adds quickly so shards don't despawn. Make sure carriers rotate promptly. Drop the shard safely after the timer or pass it at the next steady spot. Communicate each rotation and adjust positioning to prevent multi-deaths, since a wipe ruins the spawn rhythm and forces a reset. You finish by consolidating shard collection during the final damage window, making sure adds are suppressed so shards remain accessible. Once done, secure a safe zone for carriers to hand off shards quickly. This reduces risk and loss of progress. If something goes wrong, shards despawn or carriers die, do an intentional reset, because restarting with correct timing is faster than scrambling. Finally, debrief briefly. Note which timings or positions caused issues, and adjust the next run for smoother shard generation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.